A Derive worksheet can contain more than the mathematical expressions you enter and the results obtained. You can insert text, plots, and other objects into worksheets to produce educational, technical, and scientific documents. To insert text into a worksheet, click on the Insert Text toolbar button in the Algebra Windows command bar. A text box appears in the worksheet and the text cursor is blinking, ready for input. Let's type in the sentence, "This is my math homework." For our homework, we will enter the expression x squared plus y squared is less than 4 and plot it. When working with more than one window, you may prefer to use tabs to switch between windows. To enable tabs, click on the window menu and select Display Tabs. Displayed at the bottom of the windows are tabs that allow an open window to be quickly selected. Note that we have Algebra 1 and its associated 2D plot 1:1 window open. Let's embed this 2D plot into our worksheet displayed in the Algebra 1 window. Click on File and select Embed. Now return to the worksheet in Algebra 1 by clicking on its tab. And the plot is now part of the worksheet. We can now close the 2D plot window. Oops! We've just discovered that we entered the wrong expression, that our homework was really the Boolean expression x squared plus y squared is less than 4 and x squared plus y squared is greater than 1. How can we fix our worksheet? We can edit our existing Derive objects. First, let's edit the expression. Select the expression, then click on the Edit menu and select Derive Object. The expression will be automatically inserted in the expression entry line, ready for our changes. We make the changes and enter. We can see that our existing expression has been modified. Now, let's edit a text object. We can invoke the Edit Derive Object command by clicking directly on a text object. To add text on a new line, press the Enter key and type. Notice that the text box automatically expands to fit the new text and that all the other objects shift down. Besides changing the text content, we can format the text by changing the style, color, alignment, etc. To do this, we enable the Formatting toolbar. Click on the Window menu, then View Toolbars, and select Formatting toolbar. Click in the text object and the Formatting toolbar displays the current text format. Derive has tools that you will find in many standard word processors. To change the font, highlight the text you want to change. Click on the Font drop-down menu and select the desired font. We can change the font size, make the text bold, change color to red, and center the text. And finally, let's edit our plot. We can resize the plot by clicking on the plot object and using the resizing handles. We also want to edit the plot object to reflect the expression we changed earlier. We can issue the Edit Derive Object command by double-clicking on our plot object. Now, we'll delete the old plot and graph our edited expression number 1. To update the embedded object in the worksheet, we click on the File menu and select Update. Now let's return to the worksheet. We see that the plot object is updated to our size specifications and contains a plot of the edited expression. We can move Derive objects in a worksheet. To move the 2D plot above expression number 1, press and hold the left mouse button. Then drag the mouse and with it the horizontal drag line above expression number 1. Release the mouse button. We've now learned how to create a mathematical document complete with text and plot objects.